In this video, I'll tell you how to disable the lock screen in Windows 10 or 11 after waking your computer from sleep and how to remove it completely. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open Settings, then go to Accounts and select Sign-in Options. Under Additional Settings, find the option that controls what happens when your PC wakes up from sleep and change it to Never. From now on, you won't have to click through the lock screen every time your computer wakes up. If you want to disable the lock screen completely, open the Windows search bar, type gpedit.msc, and launch it. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel, and then Personalization. Find the setting called Do Not Display the Lock Screen, open it, and change it to Enabled. Apply the changes and restart your computer. After the reboot, Windows should skip the lock screen entirely. This is a small change, but if you use your PC every day, it can save you a few extra clicks every single time. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.